The Ford Pinto, launched in 1970, was Ford's attempt to compete in the low-cost subcompact car segment, priced at just $1.900. The Pinto was designed to be an economical and basic vehicle for everyday consumers. However, its simple design and lack of standout features led to it being labeled as boring and uninspired. In this context, Jack Stratton, a talented sales manager at Huntington Ford dealership in California, saw potential in the Pinto that few others recognized. Rather than viewing the Pinto merely as a fuel-efficient car, Stratton realized that the car's lightweight and compact structure could be leveraged to create a high-performance version. To bring this idea to life, however, Stratton had to overcome the preconceptions of the Pinto as a dull model. By capitalizing on the early 1970s trend of compact and fuel-efficient vehicles, he transformed the Pinto into the foundation for a surprisingly sporty car known as the Pangra. The Pangra emerged as a highly innovative solution to enhance the performance and image of the Ford Pinto. Jack Stratton was not merely aiming to upgrade the engine or exterior. He planned to transform the Pinto into a completely new sports car. With a passion for engineering and a visionary mindset, he decided to focus on three key elements: exterior design, suspension system, and engine performance. One of the first steps was to completely overhaul the car's appearance. Stratton collaborated with expert Bob Crow to redesign the front end using fiberglass, creating a more distinctive and sporty look. With an extended nose adding 10 inches, pop-up headlights, and a shark nose profile, the car underwent a total transformation, evolving from a basic model into a premium-looking vehicle. Stratton also understood that enhancing appearance alone would not suffice. He went on to invest in the suspension system and engine to turn the Pangra into a true sports car, capable of outperforming competitors in the same segment. The Pangra was not just an upgraded vehicle but a testament to the creativity of a bold entrepreneur. One of the most critical factors in transforming the Ford Pinto into the Pangra was redesigning its appearance. The original Pinto was designed very simplistically, with an unimpressive front end. Jack Stratton realized that to compete with sports car models like the Datsun 240Z or Porsche 914, the Pinto needed a bolder and more stylish look. Stratton hired Bob Crow, a fiberglass specialist, to redesign the front end of the car. The result was a completely new appearance featuring a sharp shark nose design, pop-up headlights, and improved aerodynamic lines. These changes not only enhanced the vehicle's exterior but also created a striking visual effect, making the car appear longer and more powerful. Although the rear and body of the car retained their original design, the extended front end made a significant difference. By blending the classic design cues of some renowned sports cars with the lightweight structure of the Pinto, the Pangra achieved a perfect balance between style and practicality. To transform the Pangra into a true sports car, Jack Stratton focused on upgrading the suspension system and overall performance. In collaboration with Coney, he developed an enhancement package that included lowered springs, custom shock absorbers, and 7-inch wide alloy wheels. These upgrades significantly improved the Pangra's handling and traction, making it superior to its contemporaries. The suspension system was designed to keep the car light and balanced, a critical advantage compared to the heavier American models of the time. As a result, the Pangra achieved an impressive 0.87 G-force on test tracks, surpassing even the Datsun 240Z and Porsche 914. The combination of lightweight construction, a short wheelbase, and advanced suspension made the Pangra exceptionally agile on winding roads. These improvements not only transformed the Pinto from an everyday car into a sports car but also redefined its value in the eyes of consumers. One of the most groundbreaking changes in the Pangra was the addition of a turbocharged engine. The Pinto's original 2.0L engine produced only 90 horsepower, insufficient to make a significant impact. However, Jack Stratton collaborated with A.K. Miller, a legend in the turbocharging field, to upgrade this engine. By installing an air research turbocharger, the engine's output was increased to 175 horsepower, nearly doubling its original capacity. The system was meticulously designed to deliver high performance while maintaining durability and environmental friendliness. The turbocharger operated at 10 psi, while the engine's compression ratio was adjusted down to 7:1 to optimize pressure tolerance. Additionally, the cooling system is also integrated to maintain stable engine operation. As a result, the Pangra could accelerate from 0 to 96 km per hour in just 7.5 seconds, significantly faster than competitors like the Datsun 240Z. This turbo upgrade was a crucial highlight that transformed the Pangra into a powerful sports car while maintaining balance and practicality. The Ford Pinto Pangra was not a mass-produced vehicle but the result of a unique customization process at Huntington Ford. Customers had two options: purchase a fully assembled Pangra or build their own using kits provided by the dealership. For approximately $5,000, customers could own a complete Pangra, which included a redesigned exterior, upgraded suspension system, turbocharged engine, and a premium interior featuring recaro seats and a custom dashboard. This price was considered quite reasonable compared to imported sports cars at the time. For those who preferred a hands-on approach, Huntington Ford offered 3 optional kits. The first kit, priced at $600, included a fiberglass front end to enhance the car's appearance. The second kit, costing $1,100, comprised a complete upgraded suspension system. The final kit, priced at $691, contained all the components for the turbocharged engine. However, the custom dashboard was exclusively available on Pangra assembled at the dealership, creating a distinction between dealer-built and self-assembled vehicles. This process not only offered flexibility to customers but also established the Pangra as a symbol of customization and creativity in the automotive industry. The Ford Pinto Pangra is one of the most unique yet rare vehicles in American automotive history. Only about 20 to 50 fully assembled Pangra were produced at Huntington Ford, along with an unknown number of kits sold for customers to assemble themselves. The Pangra's uniqueness lies not only in its design and performance but also in the way it was marketed. During its brief production period from 1972 to 1973, the car captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts seeking a distinctive sports car option. However, due to its limited production numbers and lack of widespread promotion, the Pangra never became a mainstream vehicle. Today, the remaining Pangra are truly treasures among classic car collectors. With a combination of unique design, exceptional performance, and an intriguing history, each Pangra stands as a testament to relentless creativity in the automotive industry. If you're lucky enough to spot one at a classic car show, take the time to admire it, as it could be one of the rarest sports cars ever built. The Ford Pinto Pangra is a clear testament to how an ordinary car can become a masterpiece of engineering through creative vision. Under the leadership of Jack Stratton, the Pangra not only broke the stereotypes surrounding the Pinto but also challenged competitors like the Datsun 240Z and Porsche 914. Although it wasn't a commercial success, the Pangra left a lasting mark on American automotive history. It demonstrated that even during challenging times, with emission restrictions and rising insurance costs, there were individuals bold enough to innovate and create. Today, the Pangra stands as a symbol of uniqueness and the effort to push boundaries. For classic car enthusiasts, every Pangra holds a special story, evoking an era where creativity and passion could transform an ordinary vehicle into a legend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring more fascinating stories. See you in the next video.